Welcome back to Level Up, where we delve into topics that empower and inspire personal growth. Today we're addressing a crucial aspect of healing: empowering yourself after narcissistic abuse. If you've experienced this trauma, know that you're not alone. Let's explore how to reclaim your identity and self-worth. 1. Understanding narcissistic abuse. Before we dive into empowerment, let's first understand what narcissistic abuse entails. It's a pattern of manipulation, gaslighting, and emotional exploitation by a narcissistic individual. This can leave victims feeling shattered and devoid of self-worth. 2. Recognizing the effects of abuse. The effects of narcissistic abuse are profound and far-reaching. It can erode your self-esteem, distort your sense of reality, and leave you questioning your worth. Recognizing these effects is the first step in reclaiming your power. 3. Embracing your authentic self. Empowerment begins with embracing your authentic self. Reconnect with your passions, interests, and values. Remember, you are not defined by the abuse you've endured. You are resilient, worthy, and deserving of love and respect. 4. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential in protecting yourself from further harm. Clearly communicate your needs and limits to others, and don't hesitate to enforce them. Your well-being is your priority. 5. Cultivating self-love and self-care. Cultivating self-love and self-care is a powerful act of empowerment. Practice kindness and compassion towards yourself. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, and prioritize your physical and emotional well-being. 6. Seeking support. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Seek support from trusted friends, family members, or professionals who understand the complexities of narcissistic abuse. Remember, healing is a collective effort. 7. Forgiveness and letting go. Finally, empowerment involves forgiveness and letting go. Release yourself from the burden of resentment and anger towards your abuser. Focus on your own healing and growth, and let go of the past to embrace a brighter future. In conclusion, empowering yourself after narcissistic abuse is a journey of self-discovery and resilience. By reclaiming your identity, setting boundaries, and prioritizing self-love, you can break free from the chains of abuse and step into your power. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and healing. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are stronger than you know, and you deserve to live a life of joy, authenticity, and empowerment. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.